Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all of you on behalf of APAC News Network to the third Global Education and Skills Conclave. We had a very power packed session in the morning, watched by more than 1,500 higher education and schools across the country. And now we are proceeding with the post lunch session. And it's my pleasure now to introduce a very unique company, Gyanmark Technologies. Gyanmark Technologies is an edutech provider who offers preparatory material which consists of live lectures, study materials. So I'd like to introduce Mr. Srinivas Bharadwaj. He's a CEO and founder of Gyanmark Technologies. And before he starts his presentation, may I request Srinivas to play a video which showcases some of the things that he is going to speak. Over to you, Srinivas.
Oh, the education divide. In countries like India, with large populations, education has long been constrained by budgetary, systemic, and quality concerns. At class 9 in India, there is 78% enrollment, but this drastically declines so that only 23% graduate with a college degree. The answer today is available through EdTech. Nyanamarga Technologies, which does business in the US as Gnosis Learning, has developed an ebooks integrated virtual classroom product that delivers quality blended and hybrid learning. The USPTO has granted us a patent for collaborative in-context learning. We have also received an award at the 19th World Education Summit for School Technology Innovation. This is a new and novel approach to the problem and built from the ground up to provide affordable quality education using mobile apps integrating ebooks, slides, videos, and social media to leverage free offerings as well as synergies that are today possible by tapping a globalized internet. Today, Nyanamarga's flagship apps like Ramanujan for JEE and Sushruta for NEET help many students take on the challenges posed by these extremely competitive exams. Priced affordably and built with the help of content developed by teams based in IIT Chennai, these apps provide students from various backgrounds a chance to study at home, attend our live lectures offered by well-known faculty with PhDs. Even as COVID has robbed many children a chance to go to school, Virtual Classroom offers added face time with teachers for students and facilitates recovery from learning loss. Azim Premji, one of India's famous billionaire tech gurus and philanthropist, believes that COVID 19 has left behind a national educational emergency. Today, our virtual classroom powers many schools in Ahmedabad and helps many teachers and decision makers combat the problem of learning loss. We believe hybrid learning can go further towards removing the education divide. For students in America, we have developed apexams.us. This enables students to prepare for multiple STEM APs and the SAT. Today, we are also readying the IT certificate. We are partnering with leading IT service companies and colleges to offer students and professionals looking for careers in the information technology industry but lacking the skills. Mrs. Hillary Clinton famously said, "It takes a village to raise a child." Join us and be part of this exciting and disruptive transformational company with a new technology that facilitates better e-learning. Thank you very much. So that's introduction to what we do. So let me get on with it. I will share my screen. Okay. I hope you can see my screen.
Yeah, it's visible.
Visible. Okay. So um, let me get. Okay. So now this is. Let me get going with my slides. Can you see my slide?
Yes.
Perfect. So we are here to, actually, this is our introductory announcement of our IT certificate. But first, we are going to explain what we are doing with schools. Uh, Before that, I want to explain what kind of company we are. See, education has involved gurus and granths. You know, and we are in some ways a guru granth company. We received a, USPTO patent for collaborative learning, and we worked with IIT Madras in setting up our full content for class 11 and 12, and then we built our own virtual classroom platform. And you will see a demonstration of this. Our flagship platform for test prep is our Sushruta. I thought every doctor in India should know, Sushruta Samhita. So, so it comes it comes in two forms. One is the tablet version, which is about 25,000 rupees, and the other is our cell phone version. And we bring the teacher into the book and additional material, and you'll see a demonstration very soon. So this is roughly how the student goes about it. He registers, and then he starts accessing the textbooks, the syllabus, the slides, and assessment as well, as part of the solution. So you get a full list of all the things that we do. So the our second platform is Ramanujan for JE. This is our flagship JE platform, and that again comes in two versions. One is the tablet version, which comes with CEngage book, and all our apps come with HC Verma when they come in the tablet form. And so all of this is also completely indexed with the IIT PAL lectures. So students, and then we have our live lectures, which is done by world class PhDs, probably the best in the business that you can find. So you get quality education at an affordable price, and that's a hallmark of what we do. So we are very very different from, say, Byju's or Vedantu, and you'll understand why when you see our demonstrations. So we also have assessment, and you will see our assessment as well. And of course, we have apexams.us, which is our what we do with the American schools. And one of the apps I will highlight in apexams.us, we do 5 or 6 STEM APs. And then one of the apps I want to highlight is the AP Computer Science, because we also use it in our IT certificate. So before I go further, let me explain a little bit, hybrid versus blended learning, right? So typically, hybrid learning is defined from the teacher side. When a teacher teaches both a in class student, and they teach a remote student at the same time, it's kind of hybrid learning. And today, if you have limited classrooms, and you can accommodate only 50 people in a classroom, or 20 people in a classroom, or because of social distancing, 10 people in a classroom, then you have 50 people outside, the or 500 people outside. uh, Blended learning is from the student side. A student is sometimes in class and sometimes at home. So, and he can do one class home and one class outside. So that is the strategy. The key in hybrid learning and blended learning is to get more face time with the teacher. As I said, we are a guru and granth company. So you will see how we mix the two, and how eventually it is the coming together of these two that is going to solve the problem of learning loss. We are here to fight the leftover, what COVID has left us with, and that is with a deficit. Now we have to catch up, and this catch up is, we have defeated the virus. Now it is time to learn more, give students more of a chance, and let them learn some at home, and also learn the weekends, so that they can clear and go forward with their lives. People have to move on. The worst is over. It's time to take steps forward. So, with that, I am introducing you virtual classroom, now operational in several schools in Gujarat, and we are ready to go more national, into more cities as of now. So, with that, I'm going to stop my presentation and invite Sunny to present present his presentation. Sunny, please go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah.
He's
Welcome
going to show
everyone.
virtual classroom. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Let me know if it's visible.
Yeah. Not yet,
Okay,
not yet, not yet,
not it.
not yet. Okay, now it's visible. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So as Srini mentioned, we are into the era of hybrid education or online education. So we have developed this virtual classroom platform, which is based on Moodle platform. Okay, so each teacher and students will have their credentials to access this dashboard, and we have the courses already integrated within this module for need JE right now, and as per need, we can integrate more courses. Also, each schools can have leverage this platform. We can help them to set up this virtual classroom for their own private usage. Okay, the I'll explain short in a short how the working like of this virtual classroom. Okay, there are three parts right now. First is dashboard. As soon as you log in, you are visited with the dashboard. Also with the recently accessed courses, the courses you are enrolled into, and the third one is like quickly accessed content like you have a calendar, you have upcoming events and all. So I'll just go through one of the courses to explain how the courses are formatted. So first we have this diversity in the living world for the biology need, and in this we have several type of contents integrated. Like first we can have a text based, we can integrate zip files which students can access, download, and use for their study material. We can also have announcement which are like upcoming things and all for that particular course. We can integrate images, so it will just have an image which will be displayed for that particular course. We can have live lecture links which are repeating every now and then, like every weekend or something. And then we can have a video also. So video is like the content for that particular thing which we can integrate over here. Okay, also there is the segments which we can introduce over here. Like we have chapters in each course. Like we have a chapter in the living world, and we can have sub chapters as well, and these are all PDF files, so student can just open them and view them in their own platform. Okay, so we have these PDFs integrated in the Moodle virtual classroom. Also we can have a presentation, PowerPoint presentations, same as in PDF. This is the first part of the courses. Uh, Next, I'll going to explain you the lecture scheduling. Okay, so something very critical nowadays is like scheduling a lecture and getting all the students to that particular day of lecture. So what we have come across is we have calendar here. We can use this to schedule a live lecture on this particular day time. Okay, so we can just put up a title for this particular this thing. So suppose it's a living world. You can have a day and time about it, suppose, and you can also type some description. Like example, we mostly have the Meet links, so we can have meet.com link over here. Also, we can attach any materials which are needed to be prepared by student beforehand. Okay. So once it is saved, all the students for that particular course will be getting intimated that there is a lecture schedule. Okay, and they can just open this and just check when it is scheduled. Yeah, there are other features also which we can explain you once we show if there are interest from any of the people, and we can go into detail about site administration and all. Yeah, Srini, you want to add something over here? which I missed.
That's very good. Thanks, Sunny.
Yeah.
So, Prajot, please go ahead and show
Yeah.
our
Uh,
need JEE platforms and assessment, or some combination that you can show within the time.
Yeah. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. Okay.
yes.
Okay. So thanks, Sunny. So I'll start with Shushruta app. So Shushruta app is for the students who are preparing for the NEET exam. And what you see here is the all the subjects that are necessary for the NEET preparation. Okay. So we have physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay. So I'll select biology first. So basically, this will give me the syllabus of the 12th standard, and the syllabus will be the starting point for the student to navigate to any topic that is interested in. Okay, so on click of any one topic here, he'll be getting all the resources related to that topic. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So on click of the unit, I'll basically get the chapters that are coming under that, and I'll go with this molecular basis of inheritance. Once I do that, I get all the subchapters. Okay, so I'll select any one topic here. So I'll go with transcription. Okay, and what has happened now is all the resources related to that topic are loaded. Okay, so resources in the sense we have the textbook resource, the slides, as well as the videos. Okay, yeah. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, we
Yeah.
can see.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so I'll just go over them one by one. So this is the textbook. So the textbook we use here is the NCRT, and what it has done is it has directly taken me to that particular page number where that topic is. Okay. Similarly, from here he can visit slides, so he will get slides related to that topic, and finally we have the videos. Okay. So these videos are from the IIT PAL channel, and we have linked them into our app. Okay. So since I had selected molecular basis of inheritance, it's playing the video of that particular chapter. Okay. And after going through all this theory, the student can take the assessment. Okay. So we have this Jnana assessment wherein we have formed questions for each of the chapters, and the student can take the test. Okay. I guess my internet is a bit slow today. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, I'll be showing you the mock test. So in that, this part will be covered. I think there's some network issue.
Okay, yeah, please, yeah, move to the
Yeah, I
next
think
one.
it's loaded now. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I'll come back to this. And yeah, and also like what we have done is we have integrated the Moodle platform here with our system. So for each of the units, we have created courses inside Moodle. Okay, so lecturers can upload their extra study material over here. So apart from our resources, the student will also get the resources uploaded by the lecturers. Okay, so since I had selected this particular unit, genetic and evolution, it has directly taken me to that particular course. Okay, and also we have the chat feature wherein the student can, if he has any doubt, he can ask his queries. So like for each of the units, there are chat channels created, and if he posts any doubts, it will be sorted either by a lecturer or by the student. Okay. So this was a Shushruta app. Ramanujan app also works on the similar line. Okay. Only thing we won't be having biology there. It will be physics, chemistry, and maths. Okay. So I won't
Okay,
go into detail.
yeah, let's move on so that we get a chance with getting the IT certificate also.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll just show the test part of it. Okay, so we have mock test for JEE as well as NEET. So I'll just show one paper here. So these are the full test papers, which comprising of 75 questions, and basically they are the time bound this thing test.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I think
let's
there's some
move
error.
forward. Let's move
Yeah,
forward.
yeah. Let's just stop sharing.
Stop sharing. Okay. So so I hope you can see my screen again. Um, we are here introducing our IT certificate. Our IT certificate is aimed as a way for to provide 1 year of IT education for post students who have just joined college. It is modeled after the IIT Chennai diploma in CS and data science, and it can be done in 1 year. So basically, we have these 7 courses: statistics for programmers, data structures, data science with Python, and then that is the first trimester. The second trimester is front end programming, web applications, and the last trimester, the last 2 courses, back end and AIML. So the we have all these built all these university relationships, but the most important one here is our relationship with IIT Chennai and NPTEL. We are working also with Amrita University, and we are a silver partner with them. Our aim here is to take advantage of NEP to provide IT as a hybrid learning platform. So as all of you know, there are going to be 150 million jobs in IT in the next 5 years, according to LinkedIn. So digital skills are very much in demand, and this is your chance to get them. So a student who if there are colleges that come work with us, we can work with the colleges. If there are enterprises that work with us, we can work with them too. So basically, there's a semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, and then students can go for an internship. So it's a very simple program, and it can complement, say, a BSc degree, BA degree, whatever else. So now I invite Sunny and Prajot to do another quick demo, and then we will quickly wind down. Please go ahead.
Yeah. It will take a short time because it's a similar to the virtual classroom.
Okay.
So yeah. So I have logged in already. So as Srini mentioned, we have this IT certificate program for right now, and we are still building up the courses for this. The one prominent thing about these courses is like all the IT courses. Example, for the data structures, we have laid down all the course material, how it will be, what are the duration it takes to complete, what you learn in that course, and
Just as
how
a
it
message,
will help
you
you.
can wrap
Yeah,
it up.
yeah. So you can visit this link. We'll share this link once we are ready. Uh, then yeah, that's it. Srini, I think
Okay.
project can take it.
Yeah, Prajot, if you can quickly show just a little bit of the
I think,
app
Rashini, the next speaker is waiting. So
waiting.
if we can wrap it up.
Wrap it up. Okay. So to wrap up, see, the apps will be very similar, but they are integrated with NPTEL. So that is the main difference in the apps between the two. Between our school offering and our college offering. Um, our courses are going to start in mid January, so around the 22nd of January. You can visit our booth. We will have a video for those who are interested in the IT certificate. So please visit our booth, and we should be looking forward to partnering with various companies. Okay, so Rajneesh ji, we are done.
Thanks, Srini, and thanks to Prajit and Sunny. That was very informative, and I'm sure with more than 1,500 schools and higher education institutions watching this program now, many would be interested in some of the interesting offerings that you had mentioned. So, thanking all three of you again and having a good day. And I'm sure you would join for this whole 3 days of the Global Education and Skills Conclave. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you very
Thank
much.